Yeah. Hey, want to be. Hey, want to me. Come on, me Letitia, okay, with you.
Ali, we come another phase again. This one, the more than military training you want. Charlie, with this one there, more than military training, where you make we start, then you now you go see what are the talk and it be true.
Yeah.
This one we call it Asamoah Villa. Now why did they do this thing, crap? Now I really understand. What be the inspiration behind this thing? This one is called Asamoah Villa. Don't need to.
It will be as well.
But what a fool.
And there are 3 hours to enjoy here.
Let me get them. This one is.
Oh, why go for you?
Ebunani.
Ah.
Sabi.
You go.
Charlie, this one is below. You can do this.
You the first.
Yo,
Charlie.
this is more than military training, bro. I will never forget this thing in my life. Hey, Charlie, no be easy. It never be easy for this side. You make you enjoy the video. You now go see how I suffer for here. Make you enjoy the video, bros. Hey. Very nice. You can do this. You guys see what he said I should come in.
Charlie, bro, now name my wife. It's Zoom. Yeah. You are the Pharaoh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, why did
Just salute you, sir. Sir, I can't do this anymore again. I beg you, maybe go subscribe. I tire of. Hey, Charlie. I tire. Charlie, me I go military. Me army no. I go take the uniform. I be with the Accra. Mo go there. Where then they be my camp. We go there straight. If you guys Charlie, you might say a video, the evidence we take go show them. Charlie, he dey laugh, bro. I beg you go subscribe and comment and like the video. Then share give me. I beg you. I beg. You are from China, eh?
Yeah, from China.
So for how long have you been to Ghana?
1.5 years.
Okay, so do you work here or you came on vacation?
We work here. My family came with me.
Oh, okay.
So they stay with me. My kids have a school here.
Oh, okay.
So very nice.
So if I may ask, like, what work do you do, please?
I do some IT stuff.
Oh, okay. I'm also a graphic designer.
Yeah. I'm an engineer. Sell some stuff. Tradings. Sort of things.
Are you staying here for very long, or you go back?
No, it's not going to be very long. But just
Why don't you feel Ghana?
Huh?
Don't you feel being here?
Well, it's very nice
No, why
being
don't
here.
you stay here? And
It's just we've been transferred by the company every 3 years, 2 or 3 years time.
oh, okay.
So we can't be staying for a place for a long time.
So from here you go to different country again.
Yeah, we go to different countries. I've been to South Africa and then Ghana. I don't know where is my next step.
Okay, so comparing South Africa to Ghana, which one will you be?
Well, this one is nice. Ghana is definitely the most favorite country in Africa that I've ever been to. That's very nice. The weather is good. People are nice, and especially very safe here.
Sure.
I don't want to say anything in social media.
Right. So thank you very much. Thank you. Please, what's your name?
My name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Chinese man, they call you Daniel.
No, it's my English name. It's easy for you guys to remember.
Okay.
So Chinese name is like Bang or something.
What?
Bang. You can just call me. That's my first name. Bang.
Oh, okay. All right.
So what's the meaning of Bang?
Well, Bang means like a country, like ambitions, something like that. Those fight for the futures, fight for the countries, fight for the good stuff. Basically, something like that.
One day I would like to visit China too and do some video there.
Oh, that's great. So, when are you guys playing?
Are you on social media?
No.
Not on social media.
I'm not an internet celebrity.
I mean, at least can have some Facebook and Instagram.
I have some Facebook. Yeah.
Tag you with
Yeah, we can do something together.
Okay, so what was your Facebook name?
Facebook is just my Chinese name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, boss. Thank
No problem.
All right.
No problem. Good to see you.
Yeah. So this will be the last scene of our video, and thank you for watching. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So whenever you want to go on a vacation, you can come to Legon Botanical Gardens, or a holiday, or like even weekends when you want to visit a tourist place. This place, I recommend this place for you. It's very, very nice. I will now through the video, you see some of the experience I had. Yeah, so please one day try to pass through Legon Botanical Gardens. Thank you.